Branch policies are essential in maintaining code quality and ensuring that only the best code gets merged into the main branch. They help enforce standards and practices that teams agree upon, such as requiring code reviews, running automated tests, and ensuring that the code adheres to specific guidelines. By implementing branch policies, teams can avoid common pitfalls like broken builds, unreviewed code, and integration issues. Branch protections are crucial for safeguarding the integrity of the main branch. They prevent unauthorized changes, accidental deletions, and ensure that only verified code gets merged. This is particularly important in large teams where multiple developers are working on the same codebase. Branch protections help maintain a stable and reliable codebase, which is essential for continuous integration and continuous deployment (CI/CD) pipelines. To set up branch policies, navigate to your repository settings and select the branch you want to protect. From there, you can configure various policies such as requiring a minimum number of reviewers, enforcing successful builds, and ensuring that all comments are resolved before merging. These settings help ensure that the code meets the team's quality standards before it gets merged into the main branch. One of the most common branch policies is requiring code reviews. This ensures that at least one other developer has reviewed the code before it gets merged. Code reviews help catch bugs, improve code quality, and share knowledge among team members. They also provide an opportunity for junior developers to learn from more experienced colleagues. By enforcing code reviews, teams can maintain high standards and improve collaboration. Automated testing is another critical branch policy. By requiring that all tests pass before merging, teams can ensure that new code does not introduce bugs or break existing functionality. Automated tests can include unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end tests. These tests run automatically in the CI/CD pipeline, providing quick feedback to developers and helping maintain a stable codebase. Build validation policies ensure that the code builds successfully before it gets merged. This is important because a broken build can halt the development process and delay releases. By requiring successful builds, teams can catch issues early and ensure that the code is always in a deployable state. Build validation policies are typically enforced through the CI/CD pipeline, which runs the build process automatically. Branch protection rules are settings that prevent direct changes to the main branch. These rules can include restrictions on who can push to the branch, requiring pull requests for all changes, and preventing force pushes. By enforcing these rules, teams can ensure that all changes are reviewed and tested before they are merged, maintaining the integrity of the main branch. Enforcing branch policies requires a combination of tools and practices. Most version control systems, such as GitHub, GitLab, and Azure repos, provide built-in support for branch policies. Teams can configure these settings in the repository settings and use CI/CD pipelines to enforce them. Additionally, teams should establish clear guidelines and communicate the importance of branch policies to all team members. There may be situations where exceptions to branch policies are necessary, such as urgent bug fixes or hot fixes. In these cases, teams should have a clear process for handling exceptions, such as requiring approval from a senior developer or team lead. This ensures that exceptions are managed carefully and do not compromise the integrity of the main branch. Clear documentation and communication are key to handling exceptions effectively. Monitoring and auditing branch policies is essential to ensure they are being followed. Teams should regularly review the effectiveness of their branch policies and make adjustments as needed. Tools like Azure DevOps, GitHub Insights, and GitLab Analytics provide metrics and reports that can help teams monitor compliance and identify areas for improvement. Regular audits help maintain high standards and ensure that the branch policies are effective. Implementing branch policies offers numerous benefits, including improved code quality, reduced bugs, and a more stable codebase. By enforcing standards and practices, teams can ensure that only the best code gets merged into the main branch. This leads to faster development cycles, fewer integration issues, and a more reliable product. Additionally, branch policies promote collaboration and knowledge sharing among team members. While branch policies offer many benefits, they can also present challenges. For example, strict policies may slow down the development process or create bottlenecks. To address these challenges, teams should find a balance between enforcing policies and maintaining productivity. This may involve adjusting policies based on team feedback, automating processes to reduce manual effort, and providing training to ensure all team members understand the importance of branch policies. Consider a case study of a software development team that successfully implemented branch policies. By requiring code reviews, automated tests, and build validations, the team was able to significantly reduce the number of bugs and integration issues. They also saw improved collaboration and knowledge sharing among team members. The team used tools like Azure DevOps to enforce branch policies and monitor compliance, leading to a more stable and reliable codebase. In conclusion, implementing branch merging restrictions through branch policies and protections is essential for maintaining code quality and ensuring a stable codebase. Best practices include setting clear guidelines, using automated tools to enforce policies, and regularly reviewing and adjusting policies based on team feedback. By following these best practices, teams can achieve faster development cycles, improved collaboration, and a more reliable product.